We reach for them hundreds of times a day. We use our phones to text friends, check the weather, or pay for coffee. Underneath that casual scrolling, active logins to company emails, cloud drives, and internal chat networks are quietly running in the background. The convenience of everywhere access creates a direct bridge. Your small device forms a path into your organization's secured data vault. If a vulnerability is introduced on the personal side, those risks flow backward across the bridge into the corporate network. Carrying a smartphone means carrying a persistent access point to your organization's internal environment. Picture a typical Tuesday morning commute. You're grabbing coffee, checking train schedules, and rushing to the office. In that rush, it takes only a second of distraction to leave your phone resting on the seat of a taxi or the bench of a train car. If that device is left unlocked, whoever picks it up has instant physical access to your cached company files and logged-in email. They bypass every layer of corporate authentication simply by holding your phone. The risk remains even when the phone is safely in your hands. You might download a free productivity app to save a few minutes during the workday. Watch this mechanism. The app looks perfectly normal, but as the interface peels back, we see a hidden tracker extracting your keystrokes and transmitting them outward. It operates as a Trojan horse. Whether an outsider physically picks up the hardware or a piece of software quietly takes over from the inside, the end result is the same. Trusting the physical device means trusting whatever is controlling it. An unmonitored physical device or an unverified download turns a workplace tool into an invisible spy operating behind the company's firewalls. Let's shift our focus. Sit down in a busy cafe, and the immediate threat shifts to the unseen digital environment in the air. It is a routine habit to connect to a convenient, free public Wi-Fi network to quickly send a work file or check an email. This visualization shows a signal line between a phone and a Wi-Fi router. In a man-in-the-middle attack, a malicious actor nearby can insert a third node to intercept and read your unencrypted corporate data mid-air. Then there are attacks that ignore the network entirely. You are distracted, and your phone buzzes with an urgent text message claiming your account will be suspended. This is smishing. It bypasses technical firewalls by manipulating human panic. The message creates a false emergency, tricking you into willingly handing over your credentials. One breach steals data invisibly from the air. The other simply knocks on the front door and asks you to open it. Invisible network traps and psychological manipulation prove that the most devastating cyber attacks rarely look like high-tech hacking. They look like everyday mistakes. With so many avenues for attack, the landscape feels overwhelming. But the solution is not to abandon your mobile device. Building a defense in depth relies on practical daily routines. First, establish your physical line of defense. Lock your device with a passcode or biometric scan and consistently update your software to patch known vulnerabilities. Next, you must practice active human verification. Scrutinize links before you tap them, restrict downloads to trusted app stores, and immediately report a lost device. Security is a shared responsibility. Securing the device in your pocket closes one of the most accessible routes into the organization. Mobile security is workplace security. Protect your device. Protect your organization.